In Engels.
Maar nou kan ek skryf en lees, né?
Uh,
Maar baie woorde is te groot. Dit groot woorde wat
Nou,
ek nie
Konrad,
lekker kan
now,
uitsê.
Conrad, so are you serious? 100% serious. Now, making a joke. I can't speak English at all.
No, I can't speak English.
I know.
I can speak English, but you can hear it's not so good.
Yeah, try to improve your English by speaking English. Now you have to communicate with me.
Uh,
What are you gonna do? Gonna go fish now?
yes, I'm gonna go and fish. But the problem is I don't have hooks. I have sinkers, but don't have hooks. There's someone there who can support me with some hooks.
No
please.
man, no man. I'm gonna give you a few hooks.
Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate
So
that.
you got a line to snot.
Yes, I have a line, yes.
To snot.
Snot, what is snot?
You got your line cup.
A line
No
cup?
man.
No, not that line.
We're talking about
Fish
fishing
line.
now.
Yeah,
What
fishing.
bait are you gonna use?
A red bait or poacher.
Poacher.
Yeah.
What is a red bait in Afrikaans?
Red bait is a rooi aas.
Yeah.
Direct translation.
And you're gonna do top water fishing.
Top water.
You're gonna do top water fishing.
Top water.
Yeah.
No, underwater.
No, it's good. It's good. Have you ever played sport?
Huh?
You ever played rugby?
Yeah, I love rugby.
Did you play in midfield?
I was playing rugby, but I don't like rugby really.
Did you play in midfield? You look like a midfielder.
No. I'm not like my sport what I like is
I'm asking you, did you play in the midfield? Were you a midfielder when you used to play rugby?
No, I'm not playing midfielder. I play a full fielder. Yeah.
How many goals have you scored since you played rugby?
No, I can't.
Never scored a goal.
No, because the guys was so fast and strong for me.
Hey, Conrad played rugby, guys. He never scored a goal.
But I was